We have a question here. Can you change the value inside a list which is contained in a set S? Hey everyone, you're watching Code You. So today in this video, we are going to see this question. So what do you think? Can we change it? So let me copy this text and paste it into my terminal. Okay, it is already there. So first of all, this question is asking that can we change the element, can we change the values inside a list which is contained in a set as uh, according to me, it can't. Okay, we can't change the element because even we can't print this. Like if we want to print this, uh, if you want to print this set else, this will throw an error. And why error? Because since we know set is um, immutable data type. Okay, set is an immutable, and since list is a mutable, so that's why set must contain all the items that is immutable. And here list is mutable, so set cannot contain mutable items. Okay, that's why we can't even print this. So we can't. That's why even we can't print it. So we can't change the element. Okay, so let me run this, and this will throw an error that is unhashable type list. We know list is a unhashable type, so and the set is a hashable type. So unhashable can't be contained in a set that is hashable. Okay. So let us go to ChatGPT and ask the same question, and let's see what it says. So let me copy this text, and I'm going to ChatGPT, chatgpt.com, and let me ask the same question with it, and let me print this and just enter. Okay. Let's see what it says. The code you provided will result in a type error because sets in Python can only contain immutable, that is, hashable elements, and lists are mutable, meaning they can't be included in a set. Okay, so I also told the same. Okay, here's the explanation. Set S is equal to 8712 Harry and 1 comma 2. The list 1 comma 2 is mutable and sets cannot contain mutable items. Okay, so sets can't contain mutable items. When you run this code, Python will rise the following error, that is unhashable type list. That same um, we got here. Okay, unhashable type list. So that's why um we can't even print the set which contain a list because set is a immutable. That means it only contain items that are immutable. But here list is mutable, so we can't give it a list in a set. So that's why. And if you think that can we add tuple into a set? Yes, you can. Because tuple, we know tuple and set both are immutable items. So, like if we let me replace it with a tuple. Okay, so let me make it a tuple. And now, if you try to print the set, it will not throw any error, and it will simply print the items contained in it. So you can see here. Okay, so I hope you guys get it. This video will helpful for you, and if you like this video, you can just follow this channel for more such updates. Thank you so much.